Now onto visual mode. This mode allows us to select a block of text in Vim like we have text selection in other editors. Once a block of text is selected, you can use visual modes to perform actions on the selected text. Vim has three variants of visual mode involving working with characters, lines, or rectangular blocks of text. We'll explore ways of switching between these modes as well as some useful tricks for modifying the bounds of a selection. We can use small v to select character-wise and then operate on as we wish. Or we can use capital V to select line-wise and then take actions as we wish. Here we deleted few lines. And finally we can use Ctrl V to select column-wise. In this case we want to replace this comma with semicolon here. So we entered Ctrl V and then applied replace command on it by entering R and then semicolon. Vim also have functionality to reselect the last visual selection. For example, let's say we selected here this block and we exited using escape character. And if we want to reselect this, we simply have to type in GV, that will reselect the previous bound. Vim also provides functionality to change the end of selected bounds by simply typing in O. Here the end is at I, and if we want to take it to the H, we simply have to type in O. That will change the end of a bound. We can also use text object for visual selection. For example, if you want to select this particular word, we simply have to type in V, then IW, which is visual in word. Or for example, if you want to select the text block within braces, then we simply have to type in VI, then brace. Or VA brace, which includes the braces also. And once we have selected it, we can take any action which we want. For example, here we want to replace it or change it, then we'll type in C and then type in hello.